Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable NFC on the Motorola Edge 40 Pro. And to do this, you can either open your settings and find connected devices. Here select connection preference and enable or disable NFC right here. You can also enable or disable it by scrolling down your notification bar, then scroll down again. Here's the shortcuts and find NFC here, enable or disable it. If you can't find it in this notification bar, you might need to click on the pen button and drag the icon from the bottom right here to the top right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.